Hi there. In this video, you are going to learn some incredible techniques that every designer should know because they will make using Adobe Illustrator considerably easier.
First of all, let's turn this letter into a regular shape.
So I will create a bunch of stars rounded in the corner. You can create any shape you want. Then multiply it in 5 or 6 stars by clicking in Ctrl and Alt. There we go. And now from the Layers panel, we need to make sure that this is its own sublayer. So let's expand this down, select it, and if we ungroup this, you can see it becomes an individual sublayer.
Then try to change the color of the one of the object. In my case, I choose to change the color of the M to any color.
Now for this next bit, I'm going to select all of the individual stars and I need to position them on top of the M. Now let's select everything, go to File, all the way down to Scripts. And we're going to use a script called Filling. You can download this script in the video description. And there's a bunch of different settings here. Some of these are self-explanatory. I'm just going to check and uncheck a few boxes. Lovely. Good job. Let's leave everything at the default settings and click OK. And you can see it takes the star graphics and then it fills the letter M with those randomly at different sizes, and they're not cropped off either. So this is much better than using a clipping mask. And I can now select just the stars and use the eyedropper tool to sample the white background. And then to finish this off, let's select the gray shape, and we'll go and give this a nice group of color with another script called Random Swatch Fill Color. Here we go. Select everything, go to File, all the way down to Script, and click to Random Swatch Fill Color script. Boom, here we are. Lovely random stars color. You can also recolor them. You can play the object to make it more accurate by giving it depth, shadow, and so on. Look, you see the difference? It looks more stand and clear by just adding the shadow. Now, let's play with the 3D option. Go to the Effects panel, select 3D and Materials in the new version, and click Extrude and Bevel. The panel will shows up, then give some depth to the objects. Then all the way down, you will find the Presets option. Click and choose the Isometric Top.
Make a copy of the object before to give it a depth, and change the color to the white.
After that,
try to give the object the accurate depth, see my number. Then put the white copy to the top of the object. Lovely, you see the difference. It looks real 3D shape M letter. I hope you like my tutorial. If you have any question, just hit me up. See you next. Bye for now. Don't forget to make share, like, and subscription.